Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
So we were going and seeing control of, and we are selecting the category that is employed at. Yeah, here we can able to select it, that particular category. Suppose, if I am selecting employee data, so you can see it will be showing you. More defined search. Yes. It is a more defined search there, that it is something which is coming overall. And here again, if I am going with view higher grades. And if you go and see, you can find whatever the at roles are there. Finally, we have to get this name of the right. And we will select this one. We will enter into the role and we will try to set search, check it. What is the permission, current permission, which is being given? And this permission. We also need to compare it with the workable. We also have a configuration world. On workable is something which has been, which is a document which has been done. Created at that time of implementation. So, whatever the requirements are, gathering that requirements will be captured and mentioned in the workable. And that workable will be signing up that workable. And after signing up that workable, we will be doing the setup of the configuration in the lower system, that is, in the development system. So in that book everything is different. So always. Yes. So if you are a support consultant, they the implementation team or the at the mean, from the customer side, they will be sharing as the workable. So that we can be able to refer that workable can be from the system. That whatever it is mentioned in the workable, the same configuration it is done in the system, all the that we need to analyze it. Even for coming for any support ticket which is related to the RVP. Also, we need to refer the workable. And then we need to refer the system. Okay. And in the future, if you are making any changes also, that changes also. We need to update it in the workable. Okay. So if you are making a changes but if you are not updating in the workable means that is also wrong. Okay. Because you have made some changes in the system but that changes we have not updated in the workable. Yeah. So when you are making a changes in the workable, could not do the changes in the original one. Workable is something that the implementation team has already done. Okay. We should create a copy of it and, after creating a copy, we should update the changes in the copy of the workable. Okay, that is practice which we need, which we used to do in the real time. Okay, so that the original one will be always there, which is the implementation team mode that created it. Yes, okay. So if you are tinkering, the old one we should. We will never have a backup. Yeah, okay. So that is the thing. Even the original one will be also always placed in the customer's location. That is the customer's drive. We can create a copy of it and we can keep it in our location, our company location. So that, whatever the changes which we are making, we can able to create a new version and update it. So for my view of my customer, what we used to do, we follow this ticketing tool that is Gita. So, Gita, we have a Confluence document. So in the Confluence, we have created certain folders on a monthly basis. So on a monthly basis, whatever the tickets which we are working on, we are doing some configuration changes. We need to update. This standard template will be there. We need to update in that template and we need to upload that template document on that monthly folder. So in the future if any changes has happened they can refer those conference document also. Okay. So this is the process which the company follows and this is the way how we can able to go and analyze the what you call the RVP setup for any employee when you get a ticket that both are admins, both are in different countries, but one employee, one admin can access the employee related data, but another admin is unable to access some section. What is the reason behind it? Okay. So for that we can go and start our analyzing with the help of a view user permission. Are the user roles such permission? These are the two methods. So, including these methods, we have total 5 configuration tools. Okay. So the 5 configuration tools out of that, managed permission role-based access, managed permission group, managed permission role, a view, user permission and user roles for the user. Yeah, set user. So all these things are coming on the set user permission. Suppose you are an admin and now in the future, to support your team, they have added a new member. Okay. They have added a new member. So those member also should be having the equal permission with you are having. Yes. Okay. So if you are SDM or if you are Service Delivery Manager, if they will tell to you that is provide them also the equal permission. So you should know how and where you should add that member so that when they will go into the admin center under set user permission, they should have all the 4 tools. This should be reflecting there. And other thing, when we go to that permission, there is a checkbox called RB2. What is that? Yeah, we can ignore it because we have that option, that is, we are not using. In fact, SAP came up with that option. Let me go. I think if you are referring something to select a group permission role, I think yes, permission role, permission. Because in the new release, in the previous new release, this option has came. I think you have an option here, RVP. So you can see, only indicate that there is only accessible for the RVP administrators. So if you are selecting this checkbox, then it is only accessible by the RVP administrators. Okay, RVP administrators means the superradiments. If you have something that is a superradiment, This is also superadiment only can make changes for these steps. This also. The superadiment can only make the changes. But other than that the other. That means they can also go and see the RVP setups, right? But they cannot. But if they click on that particular role, they cannot able to open it. Because of them. It will be for these ones. Because they are not the superadiment. And it's okay.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@upptalk.com.